So, friends, we are on 29th characteristic of successful people, and that is they will dedicate their time for continuous learning. So, they will never miss a chance, an opportunity to learn through a book, through webinar, through seminar, going to a club where like minded people are there, talking to any person. From them they will try to extract the good thing, positive thing. Even the smallest to smallest book, which might be of like $5, $6, in Indian rupees, like up to 500 rupees, they will grab that book and they will try to extract the things out of it, as if that book will fetch them some $1 million, Indian rupees, like in lakhs of Indian rupees. So they see the every learning opportunity as an investment to gain the knowledge, and through that knowledge they will try to reinvest, they will try to learn and implement in their life, so that they can gain more out of it. They can get the return of that particular investment which they are putting into the learning. On the other hand, if you see the people who are having unsuccessful mindset, what they will do, they will just keep on thinking about the how costly is the book, why should I go and attend the seminar, why should I pay for the webinar, what I'm going to learn from this person. He is not having any knowledge compared to me. So that kind of behavior or the characteristics will be there with the people who are having unsuccessful mindset. So, and this is what the author is highlighting here, that if you see the successful people, they will always involve themselves or indulge themselves into the process of continuous learning. So, friend, this is the end of 29th characteristics. I will come with the 30th characteristic soon. Till then, bye and see you.